Anthropic just rewired the AI workspace with Claude Cowork's game-changing enterprise plugins. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. Duwald. This is Wednesday, February 25th, 2026. Anthropic's Claude Cowork just added powerhouse plugins for HR, investment banking, engineering, and more. Plus, connectors link Claude with Google Workspace, DocuSign, FactSet, and WordPress. Admins can now build private plugin marketplaces and deploy AI agents enterprise-wide for next-level workflows. Notion took it further with custom agents, autonomous AI teammates working 24/7 across Notion, Slack, Mail, Calendar, and Figma. Over 21,000 agents are built by testers. These agents automate your boring, repetitive tasks so you can actually focus on the big stuff. Oura just launched a proprietary AI model tailored specifically for women's health. This bot delivers personalized, clinically backed advice using data on sleep, menstrual cycle, stress, and pregnancy. It's shaping health guidance with expert input from board-certified clinicians. Wall Street is calling out the AI startup bubble with over 1,300 startups valued over $100 million, including about 500 unicorns. Some startups ramp valuations rapidly with aggressive fundraising. In 1 week, Serval jumped from under $400 million to $1 billion valuation. That's some serious inflation tactics. Lemon AI is boosting your email reply speed by up to 12x with voice-activated responses. Their free Mac app integrates with Gmail, Slack, Teams, and Notion. It can even summarize threads and reply in your tone, all with voice prompts. Productivity just got a turbocharge. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. Duwald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about what's your favorite AI workplace booster. In the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.